Hello guys, this is Isaac. I'm back again. We talked in the previous videos about what's Bootstrap, why we need Bootstrap, when we use Bootstrap, and when we don't use Bootstrap. Today we will talk about setting up your Bootstrap and then including it in your web page to make your website responsive and cool. We will download Bootstrap from www.getbootstrap.com. We will get started and we uh, press on download. So it will start downloading a Bootstrap library. I have it already right here. So after you download it and make sure you download the last version of Bootstrap. You will have three folders, CSS and fonts, plus JS, which include all JavaScript folders. Right here, I make my website, which I call it my Bootstrap. I include everything on it. I have CSS file, CSS folder, and fonts folder, and JS folder. So what I need from once I downloaded it, I open it. I need the Bootstrap and Bootstrap minified. It's both the same, but the Bootstrap it has different sizes, which one is compressed one and one is not compressed. Then we go to fonts and including it like it is. We will take it all. And in JS, we need only Bootstrap minified JS. So we make our a new HTML page. I call it index of HTML. So here we go. One thing I needed is to download jQuery because Bootstrap didn't work without jQuery. So should I Google it and I get jQuery, this, and including it inside the JS folder right here. And I put it right here and then including it in my folder, index folder. So we have right here, we have Bootstrap, the minified version, and the Bootstrap not minified version. And the best thing to update Bootstrap and write my updates is to make separate folder. Not because if you have a new version of Bootstrap and you update in the same version, which means this one, it will damage all your web page. So the best way and the correct way is to make separate folder. Right here, I call the front.css to write all my updates. So when I download a new version of Bootstrap, it doesn't damage anything of my website. That's the best way. So supposed to have Bootstrap minified and Bootstrap.css and the front.css, which will include all of my updates. And right here we include the Bootstrap minified JS and the jQuery. And supposed to be this Bootstrap minified and this Bootstrap, this versions supposed to be before my update version, my front.css. I supposed to including before it, because if it includes this one after it, I will rewrite it on it, so it will not make any changes. But the best way is to make my update folder, update file right here. So here is everything. My website now is ready to use Bootstrap. So we will test everything. Okay, right here. Well, view page source. Okay, view page source right here. So we have the Bootstrap and the Bootstrap modified. Everything is work. That's cool. And the Bootstrap working too. That's fine. And this is the empty file that I make it for update, and I didn't put anything on it. So and we have the jQuery. That's fine. It's working. And this is a JavaScript Bootstrap minified. That's good. So everything is good. Everything is working now. So we have to test it with one Bootstrap components like button or one thing. So what we do is class This will talk about all this later. Just now to check that Bootstrap is working. All right. To make sure everything is working. So go right here. Okay, that's cool. So Bootstrap is working, and we already did one button called info button. We will talk about this in the later on the next videos. So what we need to know now, we include all the libraries for Bootstrap and the jQuery and make it work fine. We put our links right here and the body right here, the scripts ones right here on the body. So uh, that's cool. So we'll go to, I will show you how to get bootstrap.com and getting started. So the content supposed to be like here. In CSS folder, we have bootstrap.css and the bootstrap minified. So we don't need all this stuff because this is for the developers and professional developers. And we need the bootstrap for JS. We need the bootstrap minified file, and we download already the jQuery minified file, and everything works fine. So okay, so now we just need you to don't forget to support us on with like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you in the next previous video. Thanks. Bye.